Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Motorola Moto G77, and let me share with you how to change date and time on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll and find the options system. Then let's tap on date and time. And here we've got some options which are currently inactive. It is because we are using the automatic date, time, and the time zone. So first of all, we have to turn off all of those switchers here, and then let's tap on date and choose the date from the calendar. Just tap on the day and confirm it by tapping on OK. The same situation with the time, so just tap on it, and from the clock you can choose the hour and minutes and tap on OK to confirm. Here the time zone, just tap on the time zone, tap on region, and here you can choose from available options. So find yours and then tap on it, and it will be immediately set. Here you can also change the time format, and this is the only format that you can change. We cannot, for example, change the date format. We cannot switch days and months. So to use the 24-hour format, simply tap on the switcher to turn on this option and tap on it again to use 12-hour format. So this is how the customization of date and time works. And if you'd like to come back to previous options, so the automatic options, just tap on those two switchers right here. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.